Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Hypov ROC indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Hypov ROC indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 21 different strategies with a total of 4 different winners, and we have tested a total of 365 indicators with a total of 147 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 147 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the Hypov ROC indicator. You can see it here on the bottom of the screen. So it functions kind of similar to the way the RSI does. So you have the oscillating blue line here. You have an overbought and an oversold area. Now, I did go in and change these levels just a tad bit. So the upper level I changed to 101. I think it was at 102 if I'm not mistaken. And the lower level I changed to 98. I believe it was at 97. So 98.5 and 101.5 is the new level that I put those on. And like similar to the RSI, basically what we're looking for is the oscillating line to break up above one of the upper level or break down below the lower level, and then we are waiting for the oscillating line to come back into this middle section. So pretty simple setup. We've done this multiple times before. So right here we get the first example right there. Let's see. So we are, let's see, we get in 97. Yep, so we barely crossed up over that level right here on this one. So we broke down below this lower level and then crossed back up across that lower level to the inside, and that would be a long signal. You see that that one worked out pretty well, getting us to take profit nicely. So first signal there, not too bad. Let's go ahead and continue on with this here. All right, so now we have broke down again to the downside here. Let's just double check. Nope. So this, looking at this little bitty zigzag here to the upside, making sure that it didn't cross. You can also look at the coordinates over here at the side. So if you hover over that exact point, you can see it was a 98.48. So it did not cross the 98.50. So we're good there. But then over here on this side, we do pick up the official cross back into that area right there on that one. Go ahead and play this forward a little bit. It looks like we are going to get stopped out on that one. So it is unfortunate. Barely missed that that reversal right there. That would have definitely got us to take profit. All right, so over here on this side, we get close to breaking to the upside there, but not quite there. So again, you can see we were at 101.4998, so very close to that level, but just not quite there. So let's go ahead and play it forward a little bit. See if we can, there we go. So we break up above right here on this one. We are still waiting for it to enter back into this middle area right there. Oops, before I forget, let me change that. I can hear Ad Ant yelling at me. You didn't change that to a losing trade. All right, so we're right here. We have a short signal on that one. And it looks like we were able to get to take profit. Let's double check 50 pips. So take profit target, and we were able to get there. So not too bad. Let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit more. So we are right here for a short signal. One more short signal there. And looks like we got to take profit. Let's see here. We got a little correction right there. Yep. We were able to squeeze out the take profit on that one as well. So we're doing pretty good so far. Let me, going to go ahead and cut out some of the video here so that way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're closer to the end of the year. All right, so we are at the end of the year now. Fortunately, for a good chunk of the end of the year here, we didn't get a single other signal, and that was why I did change those levels, was because you can get an extended period of time where you don't get the oscillating line to actually break out of these levels. So it might be possible to squeeze these levels in even more, but we'll see. So before we count these out, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to the Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel on the Discord, where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading, trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy. Our admin Jay has put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. And so if you use the MT platforms rather than Tradingview, that'd be a really good list for you to have. Our admins and regular members are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out support and resistance and indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering and exiting and taking profits on trades, growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out there for everyone to see. Really, really powerful stuff. And lastly, one of the new things that I've been doing recently is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so I pass that on along with the indicator list that provides you with the strategies and again the indicators with their exact win rates, which ones were winners, which ones were losers, and with the strategies, the links to each video, so that way you can go back and review those strategies as well. So really, really good stuff for a really, really cheap price. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So back to the indicator here. Let's bump this over a little bit there and there and count these out here. Let's see what we get. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. We have 8 trades all together, or 8 signals, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 6 winning trades, so that is going to meet the 60% criteria. All in all, not a bad indicator. Seemed to catch things at a pretty decent time. Was actually tend to get you into a trade just a tad bit early. I mean, even right here, it was a little bit early. That definitely would have gotten you to take profit there, but it was just, again, just a smidgen early there. And now that I'm actually looking at it here, looks like we may have actually missed a couple trades there on that one. So let me see here. We might have to reevaluate. So we get a break there. We get a jump to the upside there. So that one looks like it would have stopped us out. So yep, we got us stopped out there. But then we did end up picking up a winning trade there on that one. So didn't even catch those ones there. I don't know how. Sometimes you just get blinders on and yeah, miss those. Just scrolling back here, looking at the other ones. Look like we're good on all of those. So let's go ahead and do a recount on this. Looks like we're still going to stay good, but let's see. We were at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we are at 10 trades now, 10 signals, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So didn't really change much. We still keep this one in the winning list. And so, yeah, not a bad indicator. It's definitely going to go on the winning list. And we'll move on to the next indicator from here.
If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to Tradingview, and if you use that link to Tradingview to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.